Hello! Welcome to the very first episode of Smile Road Podcast, where we explore ideas that inspire, educate, and put a smile on your face while you learn. I'm your host, Sir M, and today we're talking about something truly powerful, which is curiosity. Curiosity is more than just asking questions. It's the spark that driven us to discover, to explore, and to grow. It's the fuel that turns learning into an adventure and challenges into opportunities. Think about the last time you asked why. Maybe it was about how a rainbow forms, how birds can fly, or how chocolate tastes so good. That simple question is the first start of curiosity. Every great scientist, artist, or thinker started with a why. Curiosity opens doors. It makes the ordinary extraordinary. And most importantly, it sets the stage for personal growth. Now, why is curiosity so important? Well, first, it encourages learning beyond textbooks. Second, it helps you adapt when life doesn't go as planned. It builds creativity, and that's the third one, because exploring what ifs lets your mind think in new ways. So, curiosity is a skill, and like any skill, it can be nurtured. The more questions you ask, the more your brain stretches, and the smarter you're capable you become. So, how do we cultivate curiosity every day? Well, first, observe the world around you with fresh eyes. Notice patterns, surprises, or details you never saw before. Ask more questions. Even simple questions like, why is the sky blue? Or, what happens if I try this differently? Another, read widely and explore subjects outside your comfort zone. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are often the starting points for discovery. And I have a small challenge for you. Today, pick one thing you don't want, you do not know or understand. Again, pick one thing you don't know or understand. and then spend 15 minutes exploring it. Read about it, watch a video about it, or ask someone who knows more than you. Then, reflect on what you learned. You'll be surprised how just a few minutes of curiosity can change your perspective, spark new ideas, and maybe even make your day as little brighter. So, do that small challenge for you. Remember, curiosity isn't just about finding answers. It's about enjoying the journey of learning. While questions you ask, every new thing you explore builds the better, smarter, more adventurous version of yourself. So, keep asking, keep exploring, and always learn with a smile. Thank you for joining me in this first episode of Smile Road Podcast. If this inspired you to be curious today, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with somebody who loves learning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep building a better you, one question at a time. Bye-bye.